In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a chat in Microsoft Teams. Muting chats can be really helpful when you're part of busy conversations, but don't need constant notifications popping up. You'll still have access to all the messages, but your screen and your focus won't be interrupted every few seconds. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to mute any chat in Microsoft Teams using the desktop or web version. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Teams is open, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, such as Activity, Teams, Calendar, and so on. Click on the one labeled Chat. This is where all of your one-on-one and group conversations are listed. After you click on Chat, you'll see a list of your recent conversations in the main panel. Scroll through this list and find the chat that you want to mute. This could be a direct message with one person or a group chat with multiple people. Take a second to double check that you've selected the correct conversation, especially if several chats have similar names or participants. Next, move your mouse over that chat in the list. You don't need to open the conversation fully yet. When you hover over it, you should see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options button, appear next to the chat name. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu of actions you can take for that specific chat. In this menu, look for the option labeled Mute. The wording may simply be Mute, and it's usually listed along with other options like pinning or hiding the chat. Go ahead and click on Mute. Once you do this, that chat will be silenced. You'll no longer receive notification pop-ups or sounds from that specific conversation, although new messages will still come in and be visible when you open Teams. If you ever change your mind, you can unmute the chat by following the same steps and selecting Unmute from the menu instead. This gives you flexibility to manage your notifications depending on how busy your day is. And that's all you need to do. You've learned how to mute a chat in Microsoft Teams so you can stay focused while still keeping all your important conversations